In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Cash App application. And that is because we need to go ahead and get our cryptocurrency address. And then using that address, we can go ahead and transfer money from Trust Wallet. So anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on your money balance just like so. From here, you want to go ahead and select on whatever asset you're trying to go ahead and receive. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and work with Bitcoin. Then I'm just going to go ahead and select on Bitcoin just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and get our Bitcoin address. So let's go ahead and press on this swap button right over here. And then you want to go ahead and press on receive. Then you should be given something that does look like this. It will give you like a QR code, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say copy. And this is basically your Bitcoin address. And whenever someone does send you Bitcoin to this address, it will appear on Cash App. And then from Cash App, you can go ahead and obviously, exchange that and withdraw it to your bank account. So now that you have that done, let's go ahead and open up Trust Wallet. All right, guys, here we are in Trust Wallet. So in order to actually go ahead and send money, let's go over here and press on this button over here that does say send. Then go ahead and press on proceed anyways. From here, you want to make sure you do select the asset that you're trying to send. Make sure that it is the same asset that you're going to receive on Cash App. So again, we are working with Bitcoin, so you want to go ahead and select Bitcoin. Unfortunately, I don't actually have any Bitcoin, so I'm just going to go ahead and use USDC. But obviously, if you are doing this on your own device and you want to go ahead and select, the same asset, you basically just want to make sure that both of them is the same. Now, where it says address, you want to go ahead and paste in the wallet address just like so. And for me, it does say invalid address. That is because it is not on the same network. It is not the same asset. It's not the same coin because this over here is Solana and I'm trying to send it to a Bitcoin wallet. So that's not going to work. But if you did set it to the right network, then it should actually work for you. Then you want to go ahead and select on the amount of the cryptocurrency that you're actually trying to send over to Cash App and then go ahead and press on next. Then it is going to ask you to confirm the transaction. So all you want to do is press on confirm. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.